understand the BuChain architecture and some of its technical features in this video. The development of the BuChain architecture has gone through two phases. In the first phase, we focused on scenarios in the consortium chain. We implemented the basic architecture of the blockchain, focusing on encryption, technology, and providing a risk SDK for development. In the second phase, we were focused on scenarios in the public chain. Based on the experience of the years and scenarios of the consortium chain, we have improved the consensus, increased smart contracts, enabling people from all walks of life to participate in developing the chain and making the latest version of BuChain available. This is the architecture diagram of BuChain, which is a blockchain based on account structure. Bottom layer consists of ledgers, consensus, and P2P network. The ledger structure consists of several parts: account, transaction, asset, and block. First, the account which saves users' asset balance and other scenario information, and it can be controlled by multiple entities. An account controlled by multiple entities is called joint account. The second transaction, and a single transaction, can contain multiple operations. The source addresses of multiple operations may be different. An accusation results of multiple operations are atomic, which means that all succeed or all fail. In the Bu blockchain system, there are two types of assets. The first one is BuCoin, which can be used to pay transaction fees and award blocks. The second asset, users can quickly issue custom assets by simply calling the API. In the terms of encryption algorithms, it not only supports efficient and fast elliptic curve encryption calculation, ED 25519, but also supports the National Commercial Password Standard SM2. As V8 is efficient and improved over time, we developed a smart contract virtual machine, BuVM, for BuChain based on JavaScript interpreter V8 of Google Chrome. In order to support more programming languages and allow more developers to develop based on BuChain, we will integrate the WASM virtual machine into BuVM. At the same time, we provide an IDE environment for smart contracts to help developers quickly develop and debug code in smart contracts. For some common application scenarios, the BuChain provides templates to develop small contracts. There are two protocols for BuChain API: the easy-to-develop HTTP protocol and the efficient WebSocket protocol. Based on the WebSocket protocol, developers can receive information about new blocks and transactions for subscription. Regarding the application of BuChain, we have developed GUI wallet, blockchain browser, monitoring platform, and encryption components across platforms. Regarding the technical characteristics or technical advantages of BuChain, I will explain three key points: developer-friendly, free movement of assets, and high performance. To enable developers to develop dApp quickly and accurately, support the following features. The SDK supports a variety of programming languages, including Java, Node.js, Go, and other language versions are being developed by community members. In the first phase of developing smart contracts, we support JavaScript, which reduces the cost of learning a new language by users. And later we will support other languages to write smart contracts with WASM. We write a large number of smart contract templates, and developers can create a secure and complete smart contract by simply changing several parameters. We develop a contract IDE that integrates development, debugging, and deployment. Developers can use the IDE to deploy a set of dApp in minutes. In addition, we support joint account creation and batch transfer, and developers can use some common features without having to write complex smart contracts. Movement of digital assets can be divided into three layers. The first layer is the movement within a chain. Developers are free to issue digital assets, and digital assets are freely circulated. For the exchange of digital assets, they do not rely on centralized exchange, because transactions can be completed on the chain. The second layer is the multi-chain system, where assets can be transferred from the main chain to the subchain, or from the subchain to another subchain. This feature will be supported by Orbit technology of BuChain. The third layer refers to the transfer of assets in heterogeneous chains. This feature will be supported by the Keno technology of BuChain. At present, the public chain over the world has not been widely used, which is caused by its recognized performance defect. BuChain improves performance by, first, optimize the performance of key algorithms for a single chain. For example, change the inscription algorithm ESDA to ED25519 to improve the verification speed. Then choose an efficient engine, the smart contract virtual machine. In terms of data storage, the standalone storage is changed to dispute storage, which increases storage efficiency and increasing data storage capacity. In terms of consensus algorithms, the mechanism of depose is introduced to meet the requirements of high throughput and community incentives based on the BFT algorithm. Second, the performance of a single chain is always limited. We will introduce orbits, an isomorphic multi-chain system, which consists of multiple chains, each with different technical characteristics that can not only support different types, but also increase the speed of transaction by increasing resources.